in Dr. Jason's office and doing a bunch of tests to figure out how my spine health is doing and all that other stuff. I'm just gonna learn a lot today. First test is this pulse wave profiler thing, which I think it finished. I don't know where the doctor went, but I'm just gonna wait here like a good patient. I just did like 20 x-rays.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Going in.
So we're gonna get her first alignment rolling. And so what we're gonna do is, yeah, let the hands drop. Totally. Me too, no. So we're gonna start out in your lower thoracic spine here. So I'm gonna contact a vertebrae that needs to move, and we're gonna put motion into it. It's gonna feel like that. You're gonna feel a movement and hear a noise, but the noise is not your bones rubbing together. It's actually nitrogen gas releasing from your joint. Make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay, so slow, deep breath in. And all the way out. Chest relaxed. Go again. That is really tight. We're supposed to have more movement than that. So slow, deep breath in again. And out. Wow. So we got movement there. But you feel how little it was? Mm-hmm. Super tight, super inflamed. Now we know why.
That's what he said. Wait.
We know why so many have died trying to rub her upper back. Oh my god.
Whoa. You hear that?
Oh, that's a good response. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa, that's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up. Yeah, and then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up?
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
It's kind of a trick. You can't really look up in that position,
Like
but it puts your spine into the position we want it. That everything's holding it down and stuck, so we want to hear that open up, and you want to feel it open up over time. Mm-hmm. Make sense?
Because it's super tight.
No, I've never done this one before. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
Big smile, spine aligned. Come on up. Awesome.
Cool.
Amazing, amazing.
Are you done?
He's done for today, yeah.
Oh.
Is there a massage?
You know what's next? My back is next.